Hi guys, magwa 1v1 po. Shh, lang. Magwa 1v1 po kami ni Ariet. Ayan.
Napakalag.
Dito ka.
Napakalag ko nga eh.
Dito ka. Stay.
Bakla ako.
Wait lang. Magpapakita tayo. Ayan. Ay. Tabi ka pa sa akin. Tabi ka sa akin yan. Okay, magkaway tayo. Kaway.
Ayoko.
Kaway.
Gagawin.
Ulit. 1, 2. Hindi ganyan. Sa emote. Ayan. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys, this is me, Kay.
And I am Ariet, or you can call me Nayumi.
Okay, go.
Wait, not yet.
Ay, naglalag.
Yeah, I am lag.
Pwede ka mag-stab.
I know, but nah.
Oh my god, I'm scared of you, Lord.
Why? I am just an innocent being. Innocent. Oh my gosh! I got scared of you.
Uy, nag-join si Madam Puke.
What the?
Nag-join si Liel.
What the fudge? Okay, hi Liel.
So, okay guys. I think guys.
Hi, madam. Yeah, nag-join po. Nag-join. What the? Yes.
Pakita mo si Liel.
Yeah.
Ay, sorry. Pakita mo si Liel.
Wait. Here, this is the sheriff, I think.
So, okay.
This is
guys. Oh, let's go.
Bago pala tayo mag-start yung
Yawa. So, okay. Then, okay. Now
this is Parkay. This is Parkay. Madam. Okay, guys.
Oh my god, you're targeting me. Oh my god.
Oh my god, so crappy. Crappy. I got scared, you know. Natakot ako.
Oh my god, yeah.
This is Hokaya Madharma.
So,
My nose is burning.
so guys, win po yung Madam na.
I want this. The Waka Pelenten. I will visit Lian's. Yeah. I will visit the ugly green boy. Ugly! I'm just kidding. He's not ugly. He's beautiful.
Okay, so dapat kasi papaano mo.
Yes!
So,
Yes! Why? Ay!
OMG. Panoodin mo si Madam.
No!
Panoodin mo kasi 'di ba nagre-record ka? Hindi mo ipapakita sa akin.
Fine.
Hindi mo ipapakita sa akin, wag mo muna i-shift lang.
Guys, we are showing both of them. Look, I'm dead. Where is her head? Oh, there it is. She is so invincible. Yeah, she is so invincible. What the fuck?
Bibiyakin ka rin ulo mo eh.
Hello guys! Ngayon, tayo isang bagong lalaruin.
Yung beach! Beach resort! I love the beach resort. You can fly. Okay, fine. No. Here. pick? I don't know.
Ayun ba guys? Malapit na rin ba yung pasukan?
Sarap, sarap.
Parang panumir sa akin to.
Okay, so 1v1 of beach resort.
Kasama na tayo.
Beach resort.
Mas lalong swerte ako kasi ikaw ang nakasama ko.
Ala, lumilipad ka.
Alam ko, kailangan natin tumakas.
Yeah.
Pero dapat, gusto naman tayo. Tara, dali, dito tayo.
Nakatakutan ko yung madam.
Oo, kailangan natin magtulungan dito. Okay, pipindutin ko ng orange. Ulay ka na, dalihan mo.
Oh.
Oo, tapakan mo yung orange para padala ko.
Ah,
Nice. Okay, dito naman tayo sa green. Okay,
Babarilin mo ba ako?
bitawan niya
I
na.
don't know sino Murday kaya babaril na ng randomly.
Okay, ikaw naman. Diman.
Wait.
Ayos. Dito naman tayo. Oo, kailangan ko tapakan yung red. Dali, saan ka
Look at her face. Kami.
kailangan natin yellow. Ayun.
Look at her face.
Tapakan mo tong red.
No, I think she Murd. I don't know. She's following me. She's following me.
Nahulog ako sa
Guys. Ay, oh my gosh.
She's targeting the Sherry.
Because she's so
ikaw
bald.
naman. Ako naman tatapak.
But
So
guys,
baldy.
we have to respect the bald.
Yeah.
I mean the bald, not the bald.
So
The bald.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, we need to spectate the Murd because she's so preppy. Okay.
It's so baggy.
No, it's so preppy.
Ang cute.
Let me give you lipstick.
Pansit kantot.
Kantot! Oh my gosh!
Yung kasama natin, kawawa naman.
Kain ka. Very
Okay.
funny. I want research broccoli.
Ayos. Check ka na dyan.
Wait,
Okay, dito na tayo. Paunahin na natin siya. Okay. O, paano na ako?
Guess the Murd, guys. Guess the Murd. We are so different.
Okay, so
Guess the, oh my gosh, no.
where's the bird ba?
Booger. Yeah. So boogery. I mean,
Oh, okay. Nakaupo na si madam.
where? I can't move. Guess the murder. Guess the murderer by two of us. If you guys don't, then I don't know. So funny.
Okay, ako naman.
Wait,
Huwag kang aalis dyan, ha?
naging mirror yung ulo niya.
Kailangan din natin magtulungan dito. Tapakan mo muna yung red. Okay, tatawid na ako. Yung blue naman.
Ano po ginagawa mo
Very
dun?
good. Okay, green naman. And then,
Wow! Pa ako yun eh.
okay, ikaw naman. Ano ka
Sakit.
kulay?
Ampalin kita. Baril na.
Dami na.
Tampalin ka daw. Pagaya mo, diwag.
Okay, vitamin E.
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo?
Ayos, eto na po.
Magbabaril na! Oh!
Maganda sa red na.
Napili ko si madam.
Okay, tumalon ka na. Ano ginagawa niyo?
Guys, I am so idiot. I'm so dumb. Lol.
Why you kill me, dude?
Because you are not taking it seriously.
Namimili na nga ako kung sino papatayin ko. Napili ko si Liel. So, nagdugulat ako. Bigla man, pinakain.
Because you
Bakit
didn't.
paling yung ulo mo?
Because my neck hurts. Guys, we win and wink wink.
No, madaya siya, madaya.
No! No! Okay guys, come back for part 2 instead, lol.